Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your YZ Power Tuner. First, locate the diagnostic port on your YZ motorcycle, typically found near the airbox or under the seat. Before making any connections, ensure your motorcycle's ignition is completely turned off. Then, carefully connect the power tuner cable to the diagnostic port, making sure it clicks securely into place. This initial step is crucial for a successful and safe connection. Once the cable is connected, turn your motorcycle's ignition key to the on position. Next, power on your YZ Power Tuner device. You should see a startup screen or indicator lights. Allow a few moments for the device to establish a stable connection with your bike's engine control unit, or ECU. This synchronization is vital before proceeding with any adjustments. With the connection established, you can now navigate the Power Tuner's interface. Explore the main menu, which typically offers options for fuel injection and ignition timing maps, as well as data logging. You can select from preset maps designed for various riding conditions or begin creating your own custom settings. The device also allows you to monitor real-time engine data, such as engine revolutions per minute and throttle position, providing valuable insights. When you've finished making adjustments or reviewing data, it's important to disconnect safely. First, ensure you save any changes you've made to your engine maps. Then, power off the YZ Power Tuner device. Next, turn your motorcycle's ignition key to the off position. Finally, carefully disconnect the power tuner cable from the diagnostic port. Following these steps ensures your settings are saved and prevents any potential electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.